I'm a fine babe and I'll show it off. Okay? If you have a problem with that, don't buy data.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Veronica Lundi, and if today is your first time stopping by, hey girl, please do not make it your last. Click the subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, and most importantly, be part of my growth. Thank you guys so much for the love on my past videos. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. And today I am back with another ponytail hairstyle. Yay! Oh god, you can tell I'm feeling myself. So this hairstyle is actually a ponytail with bangs, but I did these bangs without using glue or crochet. So if you would like to see how I was able to achieve this hairstyle, please continue watching. If you find the video interesting, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share to anyone that you know may be needing this video. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Of course, I started by detangling my hair using my detangle comb, also known as wide tooth comb, and then I proceeded using my rat tail comb to give myself a middle part, just like so. Then I remembered that I had not even showed you guys the things we need for this hair. Of course, we need a curly hair extension, scissors, comb, gel brush, gels, my black gel, my edge control, and of course a spray bottle that contains water and a leave-in conditioner. You see this pattern? I may not be able to explain it though because English may fail me, but just watch and I am pretty sure you're going to get the hang of it. I'll try to explain sha. See, what I did was to give myself a part on the side of my hair, like you know, the other side of the middle part. See, don't worry about this part that I did on the side though. It does not matter if it is neat or not, as long as the middle part is neat. No wahala, that's the babambari, like that's the cocoa of this hairstyle, so it does not matter. Okay, now that I'm done with parting this side, I am going to be tucking my hair out of the way so that it doesn't mess up the next line of action you get. And now that that is done, I'm going to be combing the hair that's left out, and then I'm going to pick my hair extension. I'm going to cut out a tiny part that I want to use for my bangs. I'm going to cut and then cut the stitched part of the tiny part of the hair extension. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. So I cut that part and then I'm going to clean off the shorter hair. I'm going to clean that off, and then what I basically did after that was to apply my edge control on the hair extension to make the cutout part less blunt, and then I am going to proceed to braid my hair. See, leave a comment down below if you do not know how to make a cornrow. Let me teach you, because it's like this video is not really showing it, but if you don't know how to do it, leave a comment. I'm going to make a video and teach you. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to pass that tiny extension that I cut, that I said I wanted to use for my bang, pass it underneath the braid. If you know how to do Ghana weaving, this is like the reverse. Or you know how to do knotless braids, yeah, this is like the reverse of it. So what I did was to tuck the extension and then I braid, not completely, but then I braided, and now I am done braiding. Now we're going to move over to the next part. So we're just going to be doing similar things. I'm not going to even try to explain because I don't want my sweet voice to be a distraction. Just watch so you can understand what I did if you didn't get it in the first part. Yeah, I said I was not going to explain, but see, why was my face like that? What was I thinking? Hey, cuteness in the mud. Hi. So I cut out the extension and then I basically just applied my edge control to make the blonde part less blonde, just to make it seamless when I want to braid. So that's me just showing you, because the first part did not show you very well. Now I'm braiding. No, in case you don't know how to do a cornrow, leave a comment. Don't be shy. Leave a comment. I will teach you. What am I here for? So as I'm braiding, I am equally trying to measure both braids so the bangs can be in equal placement. Yeah, so that's me measuring, and now I am going to be attaching my bangs. I feel like this part actually revealed the things that I did, so yeah. So now I am done braiding and my bangs are banging. They are giving what they should be given. So the next thing is to put my hair in a lower bun. But before that, I had an itch and scratch moment that was shamelessly good. Shamelessly good. I needed it. Whew, bro. Thankfully, after my itch and scratch moment, I began to detangle my hair with my comb, and then I had a victory dance because this hair was going to give what I wanted it to give. Considering the fact that this is my first time trying to do this hair, like this hairstyle on camera, oh boy. I mean, this talent, now God give them to me. So if you're just looking for a way to add bangs to your ponytail without using glue, crochet, or stitching the hair extension to your hair, you can try this trick. It will work and it will last. And so far I've been carrying this hair for like a week and the bangs haven't even dared to fall off. So I guarantee it will last even longer than that. So I applied my hair gel on my hair. As you know, I use less gel because my hair, I like to style it like every day, so there's no use using a generous amount of gel. But do what works best for your hair. So the next thing is to pick my mixture that is in a spray bottle, which is water and leave-in conditioner, to spray all over my hair extension just to give the curls life, because they need it. So I'm just going to be using my fingers to detangle the hair, because this hair does not need comb at all. It doesn't need to be brushed. So of course we are going to be doing my all-time favorite trick that has never failed me, which is rolling my hair extension just like I'm doing over my bun. So I basically added each track of the hair extension, starting with like a tiny part of it, rolling, then I rolled the track, then I ended the same way that I started, just like you can see. So that's basically what I did, and I used a total of 3 tracks for this ponytail. Choice, see the back of this ponytail, so sweet. Hey, see, this is the kind of hair that you will make and that will make people want to look at the face that is carrying the hair. When they see your back, they want to turn to see the face. Choy, This hair is just giving, and this is actually my first attempt. Oh, God is good. I just proceeded to added my, edge control, just to lay my edges, just the normal way. No drama here, no drama. Oh yeah, since you've been watching my video, have you subscribed? Have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, subscribe now. Don't let your conscience judge you, Subscribe, it is for free. It won't cost you anything. And don't forget to leave it in the comment section of how amazing I am. I know I am amazing, but just remind me a little. Let it boost my energy to give you more DIY hairstyles, okay? And now the edges are laid. The ponytail is ponytailing. The bangs are banging. The whole hairstyle is given and my beauty is radiating. Hi. No, don't be selfish with this video. Share it with anyone that may be in need of it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Until next time,